Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to link a debit card on Coinbase. So let's get started. Now for you in order to add any payment method, there is a couple of requirements that you need to respect. So for your security, the name on your payment method must match the name on your Coinbase account. So mismatched names will be reviewed manually in 1 to 3 business days. So you need to know that before. So now once you have that in mind, so you need to verify your Coinbase account before adding a payment method. This is very important. And once you verify it, these are the steps to follow in order to add your new payment method, which is in our case the debit card. So you need to sign into your Coinbase and select your profile icon. Then second thing to do is to choose your settings, then navigate to payment methods. Then select add a payment method and then choose a preferred payment method. And 5, which is the last one, is to complete the prompt to verify your payment method. So as you can see guys right here, each payment method has a verification to respect. There is the instant verification, manual verification, and deposit verification. So you need to know about them in order for you to go on. For example, for instant verification, verifies through Play, Stripe, or the payment method's online banking portal. For manual verification, it checks digit verification like CDV, verifies throughout small test transfer to your bank account. And the last one, it is deposit verification. It verifies with a successful deposit into your Coinbase account from your payment method. Now, how can we add the debit card? Or basically, before we can get through that, we need to know if debit card is available in our country. Now, for the US, as you can see, debit cards are available. You can use them for buy-in and basically adding cash or cashing out, and the speed is instant. For the Canadian customers, there is no debit card as you can see here, so unfortunately this is not something that you can do from Canada. And finally Brazil, same thing. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.